host its inaugural culinary festival called Auténtico. Part of Auténtico will have the Iron Chef competition, and we are in need of some young, talented cooks to be part of this competition. They are battling it out in real life in this kitchen because only a few of them will be selected for this opportunity. So let's see what they have cooking up for us.
Guys, we zien 5 minuten per main dish. 5 minuten.
Things are heating up in the high school kitchen of EPB Hato. We are slicing, whisking, stirring, and definitely sizzling. But why all the heat in the kitchen? Well, all the action by the students is to impress these 3 judges. You may remember some years ago, the island held the Iron Chef Aruba competition, which was put on by Island Temptations magazine and partners. It is back. When in Aruba, a blog-driven website, together with Aruba Tourism Authority, will showcase Iron Chef Aruba 2024 as part of the Auténtico Aruba Culinary Festival. In order for these 3 local chefs to battle it out, they need some help. 12 students, 6 from EPA and 6 from EPB, all want to earn a coveted spot of being on stage with the chefs, cooking it up to be part of the team to win the Iron Chef title. Out of the 12 students, only 6 will be selected. It all comes down to the results from this cook-off challenge. For Iron Chef Aruba 2024 to incorporate young culinary talents as part of the competition is tremendous experience for them, and they know it.
The experience is everything. If I do make it, I make it. If I don't, it's all about the experience. The experience is what that counts. Okay. So, yeah, I'm excited.
Do you like the experience?
Yes, I love it.
How are you feeling?
Excited, not that stressful, but a little bit stressed, and everything gonna be fine.
What makes you excited?
That I can do this right now, and basically enjoy it, and show what I can do, and show my experience, my type of experience, what have I learned, and all that. Basically.
And why is that important to you? As someone who wants to be a chef, why is this experience today important?
Because it can show how you can work, not always as a team, but how you can imagine something very fast, how you can basically make something in a short time, in a period of time, and out of nothing, and you made something out of it, basically.
Are you hopeful you're going to get selected?
I hope so, but if I don't, then yeah, the experience. I came for the experience, basically.
The chefs want to be crowned the next Iron Chef Aruba. So what exactly are the judges looking for when selecting the students to be part of their winning team?
What I'm looking for today is someone that really works clean, also that follow recipes, but also have good eye with presentation around what's happening around him or her, and good taste as well.
Well, actually, what I'm looking for today is a little bit like eye to detail. So students also that have the neatness and also that they can work a little bit under pressure. That's also really helpful, like during a competition. And also students that, let's say, for example, they can enjoy themselves while they're preparing their food, actually.
We're checking about techniques, flavors, potential in the new students, because we were also students, so now it's like vice versa. So I think now it's like seeing the young people growing and what they have in them. Maybe they don't see it yet, but like we have some experience, maybe we can have that, we can see that sharp in them, and we can just let them motivated.
These renowned local chefs were students once themselves and understands this opportunity for the teenagers to cook for them means the world to the young cooks in training.
I think it's really great because not everybody do this. No, this is a special occasion for them, a special moment for them, also for us, because we working like for years in different restaurants, and to see to be part of this, I think it's a big thing.
Well, I actually feel this is something great. If I have to go back in the past when I used to be a student self, we actually did competition like this back then in Western. It's something that will motivate the student self to learn something and to do something great.
Actually, as well, like my fellow colleague said, Jean-Claude, I also competed in one of the Western's competition, and I remember that at that time that, of course, it was something new for me in the beginning, but it helps you a lot with building character and also like follow the path that you really want to achieve in your life, like being a chef.
The teacher guiding these culinary students says putting some pressure on these 16 and 17-year-old young cooks is an invaluable learning moment.
It's very, very nice that they do this type of stuff, because basically what these students are doing is they are working at school. They try to, we send them to stage, they go for a couple of months, they come back, but they need more push, more motivations. So this will broaden their spectrum and see, okay, this is also something I can do when I become on a certain level. So it's very nice for them to see and see the big stage.
This is very crucial for the students and for their real life. So you're basically everyday training and doing what you love to do, but it's only like a training. So the real part is out there when you go out there. So this gives them the perfect opportunity to know, hey, this is real. I'm working towards a dream, and I want to do better and better to be part of the world, to be part of the culinary system.
Pasta and tomato sauce using uru.
The students were assigned to prepare 3 courses. After preparing each course, they have to present it to the judges. And then a lot of tasting takes place.
So what were you feeling when the judges were looking, smelling, and tasting your dish?
Yeah, I was nervous and I was worried they're gonna say something bad about it.
How do you feel about went though? What have the judges actually said do to you?
They said it was good, and the other ones didn't give a comment.
And how does that make you feel?
Uneasy, because I don't know what they think. It can be good, it can be bad, I don't know.
Do you want to be selected?
Yes, of course I want to be selected.
Do you think that dish was enough?
Yeah, I think it was enough.
If you could say something to the judges, why should they pick you? What are your strengths in the kitchen?
My strength in the kitchen is that I can turn myself really fast in the kitchen. I can read the instructions really good.
Why is this experience today so great and important to you as someone who wants to be a chef in the future?
Because if I qualify, I get a lot of exposure. That can help me out a lot in my career.
So do you love doing this today?
Yes, of course. I love cooking.
Hello, chefs.
Shendon here is another competitor of the high school culinary battle.
It went okay, yeah, because I know what I can do, and like I know I can do salmon, and I can do pasta good. So I think I've been good. The salmon, my pensire with salt, paprika, pepper. So
what were you thinking when they were tasting and smelling and looking?
I was thinking, is the salmon good? Because I didn't check. I fancied it, and I was just putting it on for 6 minutes. I was like,
okay, were you nervous?
Nervous. I mean, there's always possibility something can happen, but like, I think I did a pretty good job, so I wasn't really nervous. I did my best that I believe I can.
What would it mean to you if you got selected?
It means a lot because it opens up possibilities of like my career.
Whatever young Chef Helder did worked, because he's been selected as one of the 6 students to cook on stage alongside the local chefs at the Auténtico Culinary Festival. A very big congratulations to every single participant who cooked their hearts out at the Iron Chef Aruba 2024 student competition. What is really tremendous about this competition for Auténtico today is that the students seem to all share the sentiment. If they are selected, they know and understand what a great exposure and opportunity it is for them. However, they also recognize the experience in today itself is already significant. Para Telenotisia, Amita, Yentl Lieuw.